Somewhere in those wicked woods you build your fire, and somehow in those foolish floods you keep it dry. And those idiots blow their wasted wind, but it burns so sometime in that lonely life you've become the night. Now somewhere there's a little star in the big black sky. Piece of bread, yeah, tuck it in your cheek for a rainy day, yeah, but you get rainy weeks. You're a busted wheel, babe, but you never squeak. So they pass you over every time they sweep, but your signal fire is buried deep in those wicked woods that you like to keep.